Hi everyone, welcome to We Review. Today we are going to look at another truly wireless earbuds, the FIIL T1 Pro. It's a feature-rich and great sounding earbuds that doesn't break the bank. Let's get into it. First, let's have a quick look at what's in the box. You get a USB-C and wireless enabled charging case, the earbuds, 3 sets of wingtips, 3 sets of ear tips, and also a short USB-C cable. Last but not least, the instruction manual. If you notice, the instruction manual is still in Chinese because the global version of these earbuds is not out yet. Let's look at the design and the build quality of the T1 Pro. I love the minimalist design of both the case and the earbuds. It is small compared to a lot of wireless earbuds in the market now, making it easily pocketable and light to carry around. And even though it is mostly made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Magnets are used in the case to hold the earbuds in place while it is charging, and also to keep the lid closed. To better illustrate how compact it is, here's a AA battery next to the case. As for comfort and fit, I like how low profile these are. It sits quite flush in my ears and holds itself well in place thanks to the replaceable wingtips design. If having a wingtip is not your thing, or you experience discomfort using it, you can also opt to use the earbuds without it. It may not hold as well, but as long as you're not doing any activities with rigorous head movement, it should be fine. As for me, the different size ear tips and wingtips provided really helps in getting a good fit for my ears. The T1 Pro is also IPX5 sweat and water resistant, so you can use it for sport without any issue as long as it is not submerged in water. One thing to note is that due to the compact design of the earbuds and the case, if you are someone who uses customized or third-party ear tips, you may want to check on the sizing of the ear tips before using it on the T1 Pro. Though it fits the T1 Pro for use, it kind of makes the earbuds protrude from my ear a lot more, and it no longer fits into the case. That being said, overall, when it comes to comfort and fit, it is still great for me. Now when it comes to battery life, the FIIL T1 Pro have an average battery life of about 5 to 6 hours depending on your usage. And the case itself can charge the earbuds around 4 more times, making it a total of 32 hours of use. In terms of sound quality, straight out of the box, the default tuning of the earbuds are great. Bass is nice and thumpy, mids are present, and the highs are clear and well defined. If anything, I would say that the imaging and soundstage of the earbuds are what really stood out for me compared to other earbuds in its price range. To be clear, I'm not an audiophile, and I'll probably not be able to analyze or tell you the nitty-gritty of how the sound truly is. That being said, if you are like me and you mainly listen to online streaming services such as Tidal or Spotify, I think you will not be disappointed with how the T1 Pro sounds. As of now, the app is only available in Android. The notification in the earbuds and the menu on the app are currently still all in Chinese. That being said, if you are feeling adventurous and you don't mind exploring, there are resources available online that helps with navigating the menu to customize the earbuds for you. The T1 Pro is currently priced at about 280 ringgit or around $70 US. Of course, the price fluctuates between $60 to about $80 depending on the season. We will leave a link at the description below for you to get more information on the earbuds and also to check on the latest pricing. In summary, I think the T1 Pro is a really great earbud for the price. If you don't mind the earbuds being in Chinese and you're in the market for a compact, true wireless earbuds with good sound quality, the T1 Pro delivers. Some of the features being offered by the T1 Pro are usually available only in more premium headphones that are easily twice or more expensive than the price of the T1. So yep, this is the review of the FIIL T1 Pro and why we think is a really good value earbuds for the money. Thank you for watching We Review. If you like what you saw, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel for similar content in the future. Also, do leave us a comment if you have any earbuds, headsets, or even lifestyle gadget that you would like us to review. Until the next episode, thank you and goodbye.